Dear Diary, here are a few days in my life.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day.
Hey guys! Welcome back to another episode of Dear Diary. Right now, I'm going downstairs. Mag-shoes na ako. Kasi we're going to MOA. Because Biggie's gonna be with her friends. And I have things to do at Mall of Asia. So, yeah, let's go. I'll see you guys on the way there. With my thoughts. Check up here at Sunny's because I need to update my glasses. Hey guys, so I'm about to claim my glasses. I'm going back to Sunny's. Got my new glasses. Last stop of the day, hopefully, IKEA. Kakain lang kami. I think this is dinner natin. I got my new glasses. And my lash lift! And I got my lashes lifted. So nice. I love it. It's just for 100 pesos. Sobrang mura. Pero yung name actually, doon sa parang menu nila is eyelash perm. But then sabi ng girl, this is eyelash lift. So it's super affordable. And I really love it. So nice. But then I cannot take a bath. Or, issue pa diba sa Enradel for 12 hours. And I don't know what am I gonna do because I wanna take a bath later. But yeah, that's the update. It's currently 5:30 something. And I'm just waiting for them. Sila na lang yung nag-line up for me. So that wala pa seat. And yeah, that's it. We're just here at IKEA now. I got something from H&M and then Sunny's and then Starbucks. Ayun lang yung ganap ko right now. So, I'll see you guys whenever. Happy birthday, Lloyd! Happy birthday! Hey guys! Di ba katapon mo? Ay, malaglag. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Hi! Ikaw going home. Hi!
We're gonna go to the United States. Yes. We have flight later. Sorry.
Hey guys, so we're now at the mall with Sedi and Lloyd.
Nicole, go.
Nicole went home. Sedi, man libre ka naman sa view. Hey guys, we're at Starbucks. Waiting for our order. Hey guys! So, andito na ulit kami sa house nila Lloyd. Kumain ulit.
I look so haggard na, so...
Mag-challenge dapat kami kasi it does not make sense and it's not interesting.
Yes, it is.
Okay,
I feel
so...
like a lot of people are interested. Tingnan niya guys, di ka ma-post. Birthday niya kasi.
Guys, sobrang tagal niya na nag-iisip ng caption.
Is glow day mga good? 20 minutes. Is glow day good?
Fine lang.
Amid, no? I'm too young to be this.
Maglaro tayo ng singing bee.
Pwede!
I can still see it all in my mind. All of you, all of me. That's like my current favorite Taylor Swift song.
Ako only the
Daylight.
young.
Only the young.
Because of what is happening in our country.
Ang pangit ko kasi kaya hindi ko ma-enjoy yung vlog. Only the young. Only the young.
Welcome back this year.
Come on.
It is very fair.
No, my favorite is Daylight.
May favorite, Enchanted.
My love was as cool as the city I lived in. Hey guys, so it's currently June 5. It's a Sunday, and today I'm also gonna be posting this video. So a few days ago, wait, I think I need my glasses. A few days ago, I asked you guys to ask me questions on Instagram. Yan, I posted an IG story, and here I collated some questions that I'm going to be answering today. So first, Shane Dayao asks, what's your pet peeve? My pet peeve is, yung pag nagsismell, nasabi ko na ata to like before, yung pag, kunyari, nangangamoy ulam yung hair, or yung kumakapit yung amoy sa hair, kunyari lalabas, tapos mag-aamoy araw, like, sobrang ayoko ng ganon. Or hindi lang sa hair, kahit sa ano, kunyari, hindi ako masyado mahilig yung mga magsasamgyup. Kasi sobrang aamoy siya, diba? Umaamoy siya dun sa hair mo. So, kailangan lagi kami dalang pabango. Hindi ako pwede masyado magpabango kasi I have asthma. So, ayun, isa siya sa pet peeve ko. Next, Rafi. Hi, Rafi. She asked, what's my favorite movie? My all-time favorite movie, I think it's pretty obvious. It's High School Musical talaga. High School Musical 1, 2, 3. But then I also really love, I just recently became an MCU fan. Sorry, I'm a late bloomer. But then I think this is, I'm gonna get a little bashed. But then I really love Endgame. Isa siya sa favorite movies ko sa lahat ng napanood ko. So, I really love Endgame. Next, she asks, what is the first thing you notice on a stranger? Pa-shoutout ba? Hi, Mika Pantaleon. I don't know. I'm judgmental. Siguro the looks or the fit na lang. Kasi, syempre, that's the first thing you get to see naman din. Like, how they dress up. So, ayun. I kind of judge the book by its cover. But then, I don't judge it wholly naman. So, don't worry, guys. Next, Kuya Matthew, he asked, dream destination. My dream destination probably is like France or London. To look for some London boys. Joke lang. But then, yeah, I really want to go to France, like Paris or London someday. Hopefully someday. Next is from Gian. She asked, when did you start vlogging and what was your inspiration to do it? I started vlogging when I was like 15 years old. That was like 2018-ish. And I started vlogging because I really love doing this. Yung mga nagfi-film, mga kaartehan, yung mga pag-edit ng videos. Mahilig talaga ako mag-ganito. Like before sa school, ako lagi yung nag-edit ng mga videos, mga kung anek-anek. And then, di ba, before, parang 2018, yun yung peak ng mga beauty vloggers. So, I have a lot of makeup videos, yung mga ganyan. And then, at the same time, as time passed by, it became more of a video diary na rin for me. Like, Dear Diary, di ba guys? But then yeah, I was really happy that I started vlogging way before the pandemic kasi during the pandemic, lalo na nung pinakaunang mga lockdown, at least meron akong mga nare-reminisce na memories. So, ayun, I really am so thankful that I started vlogging. Next, Ate Camille, memory of me. I remember. So, natatandaan ko, lagi po tayo naglalaro ng Barbie. Yun yung natatandaan ko. Kasi before, hindi pa kami dito nakatira, doon pa sa house ng lolo and lola ko. And ayun, pag wala akong kalaro, tinatawag sila para maglaro kami ng mga Barbie. Next, how are you po? Thanks for asking. I'm good. I'm good. Habang bakasyon pa, sinusulit ko yung vacation and nagtitry talaga ako mag-produce ng more and more content. And at the same time, I'm really trying to preserve my energy. I'm trying to relax and just trying to have fun because I really have such a short vacation this year. Next, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is, I think it's pretty obvious, it's pink. Oh, hindi pala siya masyadong obvious ngayon. Pero with the aesthetic of my vlog, I really love the color pink. And yeah, pink forever. Ate, kailan ko po gagawa ng vlog na things about me or get to know me? Actually, I have this video na, but then I really want to update it because it's so outdated. That was like way back 2019 and it's 2022 na. So, probably very, very soon. Maybe a few weeks from now, I'll try to create one. Next, ilan po kapatid mo? I only have one younger sister. Ito. What's your most memorable UAAP game na I have watched? Ewan sa'yo, Edge. Pero, the most memorable UAAP game I have watched probably was yung Season 81 Championship Finals Game 3 because that was really so fun. Parang, I think walang makakapantay sa feeling na yun. Kasi, that was the last year of Bea de Leon, Maddie Madayag, and then supposedly Ate Kat. Super saya lang talaga nung day na yon. And yun yung parang UAP season na sobrang nasubaybayan ko, as in, lagi ako nakakanood ng live game. So, yeah, super fun. Super fun nung season na yan. And super fun nung last game talaga. Parang sobrang nakaka-relief na, they finally won the championship. It was so fun. Next, how do you see yourself in 5 years? Hopefully, nakagraduate na ako by that time. Nakapasa na ako ng board. So, probably be working. And hopefully, I'm still vlogging. And hopefully, I get to produce music by that time. I really am hoping na makapag-produce ako ng music ko. Like, or release my original music soon. So, yeah, I'm really hoping. And I'm really trying to do that. But I'm just really very busy. But then, yeah, I'm really hoping that I'll be able to do that one day. Like, release my own music. Like, make an album. That would be so cool. Maybe, hopefully, one day. Next, hi Besh. She asked, plano mo before pandemic na hindi mo pa nagagawa hanggang ngayon? Ano bang plano? Parang wala na akong matandaan. Siguro like to travel na lang ulit out of the country. Yeah, I've been planning. Supposedly for my 18th birthday. Kaso nga, nagkaroon ng pandemic. So like, hopefully soon. And yeah, I think that's all of the questions I'm going to answer. Kasi yung iba parang naulit na. So thank you so much guys for sending in your questions. I really do appreciate it. And I hope na-answer ko yung mga ibang questions nyo. And I'm planning to do a Q&A again very soon. And I'm also hoping that I'll be able to do the get to know me or facts about me video soon then. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more of me, please hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell beside it to get notified every time I upload a new video. So thank you so much guys for watching. This is Mikee saying, don't let your dreams just be dreams. Make them come true. Bye!